Hi team, Unit 2, Lesson 6, 4th grade math for Tuesday, September 17th. Today we're building on our skill of our understanding of the 10 times greater relationship, but by solving equations today. So different than identifying the relationship, today is about solving equations. So today, building off the place value to the left and place value to the right being 10 times greater or 10 times less, today, tomorrow, and every day, I can describe is not where we're going, because this is yesterday's. Today, tomorrow, and every day, I can solve equations, and I'm gonna stop there, and I'm gonna come back to it. So this will be my skill, and I know I'm solving equations because of what's said right here, but I know I'm gonna use the 10 times greater relationship. I wanna dig into it more before I get there. I'm gonna look here first to identify any of my mastery skills, and I'm gonna both look here, and I'm gonna look at my CFU. This is great. So visuals, adding all, and then using this equation, but recognizing that times 10 brings it here. So I'm going to see if that's applied to that. I read through. What does the problem represent? How did you represent? This is where we want them to get to the place where they can draw 10 of, draw 10 of, draw 10 of. So this is place value blocks. This is the non-standard. And this is a bar model with non-standard. So if I have these three types, I'm gonna then go in thinking through, this is the skill we need them to get to once they recognize that this is the equation. So now I'm thinking through what is the skill. I need to make sure I have place value charts with label jumps, an equation then, and thinking explain. This is not to show, will not show mastery if I just have this. So I need them to be able to recognize first is the original value. The original value here is 460, and that's for the cheapest car in the world, or his saved value. You know that the car is 10 times more. So the first thing I actually want to be able to see is that they can understand that there's a multiplicative relationship. So we're going to start today to show mastery of this. I can solve equations. I can solve multiplicative, compare equations by using, or multiplicative compare problems by using place value charts and my understanding of 10 times greater, 10 times less relationship. So then I'm going to come right here, and I know that I'm working with car and I'm working with saved. My car is greater than my saved. If I know that I have saved 600 and it's 10 times greater, that's my first step towards mastery. My second step towards mastery is actually creating an equation of 460 is saved times 10 equals my car. My third step towards mastery is actually creating a place value chart to show my understanding of the multiplicative relationship. So I have 460 as the original value, and I know that I'm multiplying by times 10. So every single place value is going to move over one, place value to the right. This is why you shouldn't use pen. And then being able to explain your thinking that he needs, or the car is, $4,600. And this doesn't actually push them to do their thinking explained, but these three components allow you to get there as long as we're recognizing this is a larger unknown.